Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem Capital One Venture Miles for maximum value so you don't waste your points on low value redemptions. The best way to use Capital One Venture Miles is for travel purchases. While Capital One lets you redeem miles for things like gift cards or statement credits, those options usually give you a much lower value per mile. When you redeem miles for travel, you typically get about 1 cent per mile, which is the best value for this card. To redeem your miles, sign into your Capital One account through the app or website and go to your rewards section. From there, click on the option that says Redeem Travel Purchases. Before redeeming, make sure you've already used your Venture card to pay for a travel-related expense. This can include flights, hotels, rental cars, ride shares, parking, tolls, or other purchases that code as travel. Capital One will automatically show you a list of eligible travel purchases you can erase with miles. Once you see the list, choose the purchase you want to redeem miles for. You can either erase the full purchase using miles or choose to cover part of it with miles and pay the rest in cash. If you want to adjust the amount, select the option to edit how many miles you're using. There's no minimum number of miles required if you're fully erasing a purchase. If you're only covering part of a travel purchase, the minimum redemption is usually 2,500 miles, which equals $25. After choosing how many miles you want to use, click Redeem and Confirm. You'll see a confirmation message right away, and you'll also receive an email confirming that your miles were successfully redeemed. Using Capital One Venture Miles this way allows you to book travel however you want and then erase the cost afterward, which gives you flexibility and consistent value for your rewards. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you get the most value from your Capital One Venture Miles, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.